Hello. Today we will look at a side issue of non-destructive testing. It is the security body scanner using millimeter waves. Some of you may have already experienced such a millimeter wave based security scanner at an airport. But there are more applications of such a system. Today we will see the use at a prison facility of the Delaware Department of Correction. In the next application video of this channel in a few weeks, we will see a video which describes also some technical aspects of such a system. So let's look to Delaware and click on this insert. See you next time.